here.
So good.
D-Dad.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
First time we left you out there.
It's a towel.
Look.
Well, I lost my cake.
And a clothes.
Ta-da!
Hey, all right.
Who is D-Dad? Who is he? Oh my goodness, look at the shorts and the pants.
Yes.
Why are you not taking that off?
Well, we're doing the movie right now.
Who is it? Who is D-Dad dressed up as?
D-Dad. D-Dad. Superman.
Oh, he's Superman, he said.
D-Dad, here's one for you. You open one.
Superman, but I'm changing it.
You
No, he doesn't
open
really know about
one.
Clark Kent.
You open this.
Oh, good. Thank you. I can't see so good out of this thing here.
You want to take a picture with you and D-Dad?
Nah.